Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a Harry Potter. Basically, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by the House Gryffindor. I'm going to be doing a little series with all of the houses like Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, all those kind of things. And I'm going to be basically doing a makeup look with their colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so let's just get started. Then for bronzer, I'm going to use my LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer. And this one's in the shade Radiant. It actually, the middle part here is like a lighter gold color. The Morphe M527 brush. And I'm going to use that to bronze my face. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. It is so pretty. So now I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm going to use my Essence Eyebrow Stylist set. So I'm just using my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm going to use something a little bit weird. I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush palette, and this is in the shade Dark. I'm going to start out with this color right here. Use this Wet n Wild crease brush, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease. And then next I'm going to use that red color. I'm going to use that on my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush. And then to darken it up a little bit, use this darkest color right here. I got this new because I keep using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil all the friggin' time. I got this NYX eyeshadow base in white, so I can use a real eyeshadow base instead of always using my Jumbo Eye Pencil, because I was sick of listing that. I was like, I need to get something different. Put it on my eyelid for a base for the gold. So then I'm going to use my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I'm going to use the color Coin right here. Then I'm going to use this same I'm going to take those same 3 shades from this palette, and I'm going to run them in my lower lash line. So then I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara in my e.l.f. eyelash curler. So I ended up using my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in this red color here to try to make it kind of look a little bit more red, and I think it it did a pretty good job. For the lips, this is the thing that's, because this is pretty basic, like you can like do a red smoky eye with gold eyeliner, really? Gold eyeshadow pretty much anytime, really that exciting. So the lips are what I'm planning on being a little bit more fun. I am going to be using my NYX matte lipstick, and this one's in the shade Perfect Red. So then on top of that, the fun part, I am going to use my Real Techniques shading brush. Just going to take this same coin color that we used on our eyelid. I'm just gonna like press it on the lipstick. That is pretty much the makeup. I love the lips. I think it looks really cool with the gold on top of the red. So yeah, this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys really are going to enjoy this series and really enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.